What happens when great intelligence meets unstoppable power? A new universe of possibilities is born, boosted by a customized processor that's the Galaxy's most powerful ever. At the sound of your voice, an integrated platform connects your apps to open up your world, bringing you a true AI companion where everything's more personalized, more seamless. Now it's easier than ever to get things done. Just press and talk.
Find a pet-friendly Italian restaurant with outdoor seating nearby, and text it to Luca.
The barriers between apps are removed, and everything becomes more intuitive.
List the places mentioned in this video and save it as a note.
Your favorite team's matches become priorities on your calendar.
Find the next 5 Blue Stars FC games and put them in my calendar.
Just like that. And the search for answers becomes a whole lot simpler. A circle turns your curiosity into new discoveries. A picture of your textbook turns into an interactive lesson.
Can you help me study this?
Happy to. Let's start. What are mutations?
I don't know. Can you explain it in a simple way?
No problem. Imagine your body's instructions are all stored in this giant cookbook called DNA.
And a quick tap lets you find out what you're listening to. Life just clicks. Because you know exactly what you need, exactly when you need it. From your sleep and health insights to your schedule, you get personalized briefs throughout your day. Now you've got everything you need to stay on top of it all.
50 lilies. Got it. See you soon.
Lengthy calls can be summarized into key points. And everything becomes more effortless, more elegant. This is the thinnest Ultra ever. Crafted with a floating camera and curved edges for a unified and iconic design, and fortified with ultra-tough glass ceramic in an anti-reflective layer. And the display? ProScaler upscales even low-resolution images and videos, letting you see the world with a stunning new level of clarity. With all the new power in your hands, you can go further on every quest, immersing yourself deeper in every world with smoother gameplay, longer battery life, and a revolutionary cooling system that lets you level up without heating up. And now you can capture life in all its wonder. Powered by the customized processor, the next-gen Pro Visual Engine turns every moment into a picture to remember. Object-Aware Engine detects backlighting and corrects skin tones, letting you take epic portraits that are true to life. And every lens gives you extraordinary detail from every angle. Every single time. Plus, you get incredible video quality with rich color expression. Even at night, your videos are sharp and clear, with minimal noise across both still and moving objects. And if the background noises are spoiling the moment, you've got a built-in sound studio that lets you tune it all to your liking.
Hey, hey, hey!
So yeah, imagine that. A new universe of possibilities with you at the center of it all. You ready?
Yes! I've never done a period drama before. Oh, this is so exciting. Right, lunch. We never know where we're going until last minute. Typical. Carbonara, patio, Bruno. Find Italian restaurants, pet-friendly, with outdoor seating nearby, and text them to Anne. Whoa. Send it. I thought I was gonna spend my entire morning searching, but this is legit.
How did you find this place? It's perfect.
Easy peasy. Tomorrow? But a day's notice for an audition tape is. Find me a venue in a historic building with a vintage interior and a terrace. Oh, guys, fun fact. Okay, did you know that back in the day, the upper class women, they used to wear these big, extravagant hairstyles that were often decorated with flowers and even tiny ships?
No way.
Isn't that crazy?
Where'd you learn that from?
I'm just smart. Welcome to the 21st century. Guess what I'm doing? Does it look okay?
Perfect. Okay, ready and action.
It shall be done in the morning, before the stars disappear from the sky. My friends, I shall return to thee.
Look at the stars. That looks great. So bright.
Not as bright as you.
My day was really fun. I got to shoot a really cool video with my friends and got to wear this really beautiful dress. What's next? I'm all ready for it. That's a wrap, guys!
In the era of AI, privacy has become more important than ever before, as AI connects and transforms our lives in ways we never imagined. Like when it suggests when to leave for work based on traffic, or reminds you to use that expiring coupon to fuel up for a busy day ahead. But privacy threats have also evolved. To give you peace of mind when using your phone, we've strengthened our baseline protection. For enhanced on-device security, your personalized data is processed and combined in the Personal Data Engine, where it is encrypted and securely saved, inaccessible to anyone else, with the decryption key safely stored inside with Knox Vault. Your devices, connected in an ecosystem, protect each other with Knox Matrix, ensuring safe data transfers, while post-quantum cryptography defends against future threats. With 7 years of security and OS updates, long-term protection is guaranteed. And when using cloud AI, your data is neither shared with others nor used for targeted ads. In the end, you should have full control over your privacy and the power to choose your privacy settings. Even in the era of AI, we believe your personal data should stay personal.
Easy. Find a pet-friendly Italian restaurant with outdoor seating nearby and text it to Luca.
Yeah, you know the world gets tough. Say the word and I'll lift you up. Give it to me, woman, no, I won't get sick. Give me all your poison, I'm immune to it.
Give it to me good, no, I won't get sick. Give me all your poison, I'm immune to it.
Give it to me, woman, no, I won't get sick. Give me all your poison, I'm immune to it.
Give it to me good, no, I won't get sick. Give me all your poison, I'm immune to it.
Move my next schedule to tomorrow noon and send it to Jin.
Give it to me, woman, no, I won't get sick. Give me all your poison, I'm immune to it.
Give it to me good, no, I won't get sick. Give me all your poison, I'm immune to it.